In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the rear lower forward control arm located right here. The process for this is the same for the passenger side. We're going to go ahead and remove our center cap. Pop that off, set that aside. Using our 21mm socket, we're going to go ahead and loosen and remove our lug nuts. With our lug nuts removed, go ahead and grab the wheel, remove it, and set it aside. On the control arm here, we're going to go ahead and remove this bolt. We're going to use our 18mm deep socket, and we're going to use our 18mm wrench on the back side. Let's go ahead and loosen this hardware. Go ahead and spin that nut and get that off. Let's get and work that bolt out the rest of the way. We're going to go ahead and use our 18mm socket on the bolt side and 18 wrench on the nut side. Let's go ahead and loosen this. And go ahead and remove the arm. And we did go ahead and add some grease to our port right here for our bolt to go through. We got our bolt in. Let's go ahead and get that nut started. And we just want to go ahead and get this started a few threads. Let's go ahead and install the other bolt. Now we're trying to line up our control arm here, and you can see that the bolt isn't lining up. So we're going to go ahead and use a pry bar, and we're going to use it on the bottom of the arm and the knuckle. We're going to use this as leverage. We're going to go ahead and push that suspension forward. And at the same time, we'll go ahead and tap the bottom to get that to line up while we work this. So I'm going to use a large Phillips head screwdriver just to put through the hole here, pull that into alignment. Go ahead and install our bolt. I'm going to tap this through. Let's go ahead and install the nut on the other side. With both bolts installed, let's go ahead and snug them down. What you want to do is go ahead and make these nice and tight. Do the same for the upper one. And now that you've completed this job, go ahead and bring the vehicle down to get an alignment done. This will help preserve your tires and keep the tires wearing nice and even. Let's go ahead and install your wheel. I'm going to go ahead and get all of our lug nuts started by hand. Once we get these on, we'll snug them down. Let's go ahead and torque down our lug nuts to 110 foot-pounds. Once we have those torqued, I'm going to go ahead and install our center cap. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.